Sawadika, I'm Noot. I'm Thai language success coach. I'm here to share with you Thai language success tip. The best way to learn Thai is to ดูหนัง watch movie คุณชอบดูหนังหรือเปล่าคะคุณชอบดูหนังหรือเปล่าคะ Do you like to watch a movie? Okay, why is it important to ดูหนัง? It's because in the movie is the everyday language, is the real thing. You read from a book. Sometimes the book is written 20 years ago and we no longer talk like that. So it's best to learn from a movie. But how do you learn from a movie? Many people tell me I can't even understand much. People speaking too fast. No, they don't speak too fast. They just speak the way they usually do. And if you want to speak Thai to real Thai people who are not Thai teachers, they tend to speak the way they normally do. So you need to catch up. And how do you pick up words and sentences from movies? Is by the first round that you're watching the movie, enjoy the whole show. Watch it as if language doesn't matter. Keep your ear open, read the subtitle, do what you can to understand the movies. Enjoy the show. Understand the storyline, the language. Then watch it again, maybe a day later, 2 days later, or even next week if you're too busy. But yeah, watch it again, not on the same day, just to this time to focus on the language. Keep the subtitle on, keep your ear open, especially you already understand the whole story. So what you need to learn is to actually catch some words, usually the short ones. As a beginner, you can catch some like short phrases. If someone say เปิดประตู open the door, then you learn เปิดประตู is open the door. If someone say ขอบคุณครับ thank you, by a guy, a male speaker, he say ขอบคุณครับ lady say ขอบคุณค่ะ then you pick up that word first. And if someone is like on the way to somewhere and met a neighbor and the neighbor asks ไปไหนมา where have you been? With the subtitle where have you been, don't worry about the ไปไหนมา means what, the go, where come, doesn't matter, just okay, ไปไหนมา is where have you been. And if you have Thai friends, then practice it with them and see how's their response. If you need to, you can have a notepad to write down certain things, but don't be upset on understanding every single thing. Focus on the something anything at all, that you can catch and enjoy the show still. And especially some words that you like I can think of some sentence from a movie like ไม่ลืมไม่มีหรอกมีแต่จะลืมช้าหรือลืมเร็วไม่ลืมไม่มีหรอกมีแต่จะลืมช้าหรือลืมเร็ว There's no such thing as you won't forget. It's only about you'll forget sooner or later. Like some line like this, if you like it from a movie and you really want to figure out how to understand it, then you may replay and try to catch it a few times until you get it and write it down. For me, when I watch English movie, I do like certain lines that I'm impressed and I will like make sure I really get the whole thing. And when you watch, you have to practice, not just your ears. When you watch a movie, if you just listen, you may not picking it up much because it's a passive learning. To make it an active learning, in order to pick up the language, you will need to repeat after the movie. Not all the time, only the phrases that you can catch and as and when you like. There's no standard way of learning. You may have your own style, but this is what I can share with you. Repeat after the movie. Watch the movie. Focus on listening. When you pick it up, repeat after it. Okay, and practice it with your friends later on. For me, I don't usually write down, but if you need to, you can write it down. It's up to you. But don't just watch just one time and say I don't understand everything. You don't have to understand everything, and one time alone is not enough. First time, enjoy the movie. Second time, focus on listening. You may watch again. Third time, focus on repeating after it. So this is just an idea of how you can learn Thai from movies, which is applicable for any languages that you're learning. I hope you enjoyed today's video and start watching some movies. ดูหนังไปดูหนังไป